Hey, and welcome back to another video. So in this video, we'll be unboxing this brand new in-box Motorola Rokr E1 from 2005. So we're unboxing a 16-year-old phone here in 2021. And this phone is confirmed to be a brand new unit. Now, I got it for the price on screen here, which is an absolute steal considering used ones go for prices like this. And there was a new one on eBay a few months ago for like $350. So the price I got it for like $54 was an amazing steal. So if you don't know what this phone is, it's a Motorola Rokr E1. It is the technically the world's first iTunes capable phone, and it predates the iPhone by 2 years because the iPhone was launched in 2007. This thing was launched in 2005, and it was a collaboration between Nokia and Motorola to get iTunes on a phone because Apple did not have the capability to make a phone back in 2005. So this was the result of that. I also got a Nokia 3650, which is rarer than this, in new condition from the same seller for around $60 as well, and I'll be unboxing that tomorrow. So stay tuned for that by smashing the subscribe button down below and ringing the bell notification button so you're notified whenever I upload that video or any video for that matter. Also, don't forget to leave a like on this video as it helps this video get on YouTube's algorithm. I'm on Instagram, Discord, and Twitter, and now let's unbox this thing and see what's up. Alrighty, so let's first have a quick go around of the box itself. Now up front we have the phone itself marked here, Motorola Rokr E1. It has a bunch of headphones, and I can imagine the headphones are probably in pieces by now, the foam after so many years. We have iTunes plus Singular. This thing was on the Singular wireless network. This phone did come unlocked as well, so you could use it in other countries. Singular raising the bar. Singular is now a part of AT&T. Moving on to this side, we have a Motorola Rokr branding over here as well, and a picture of the phone. Over here, iTunes plus Singular again. Over here, we have some serial numbers and regulatory information and stuff like that. Over here, again, Singular raising the bar. At the back or the bottom, again, it's kind of a replica of the front there, so it's the same thing. So now let's go ahead and unbox this thing and see what's inside. Okay, so let's now open the box and see what's up. So up front, we're greeted with the phone, so let's take it out and have a closer look. Up front of the phone we have Singular branding, Motorola branding, most Singular branding at the bottom. A pretty minimalist looking bar style phone. We have the iTunes button over here. This phone was a sort of a rebranding of this one over here. I completely forgot what it was called, but it's that phone over there. It was another existing Motorola phone. The difference you can see between that and this phone is this has the iTunes button, obviously. So that is just a quick comparison. Motorola branding over here. We have a button over here, what I believe is the power button. The volume rocker is over here. The headphone jack over here up top. Camera shutter button. Motorola branding. Most speakers, as you can see there. And at the bottom we have a proprietary charging port as well. And at the back we have some serial numbers and all the other stuff, and the SIM card slot as well. So let's leave that to a side for now. And let's see what else is in the box. So we have those headphones that I was talking about earlier, and they don't seem to have, well, the fluffy stuff is not on there. It's over there. So they've come out, and yeah, they're pretty crusty at this point. The headphones are Singular branded, as you can see there. They're obviously Motorola as well, but I guess Singular wanted their brand on the headphones as well. So those are the given headphones. We have the battery over here. Let's see what capacity this thing is. It doesn't say so on the battery here. I'll put it up on screen what capacity the battery is. It could be 850 like it says here, but I'll put it up on screen anyway just to be sure. So that's the battery over there. We have the back cover that does not come installed with the phone, so the back cover is over here as well. And over here we have a 2.5 millimeter headphone jack conversion to 3.5. So that's really nice because that thing has a 2.5 millimeter headphone jack and not a 3.5. So 2.5 to 3.5 conversion cable over here. So now let's open the rest of the box and see what's up. So I'm guessing there's a bunch of iTunes stuff at the back here, and yep, I was right. So there's a lot of books, a lot of thick books. So the iTunes installation CD, obviously they used to give these back in the day because internet was crap at the time, and you're better off downloading iTunes off the CD. So the CD's over there. Motorola instruction guides getting started, and then we have a singular bunch of leaflets here for to get to know the singular wireless network better. There is another manual over here, and I think it's in Spanish. Oh, it's in English as well, so it's a thicker manual. So a quick start guide versus the much more thicker full detailed manual over there if you need be. We have a singular SIM card. So the card that came with this phone, you don't see these SIM cards anymore, so that's kind of rare. That's something nice to keep as a collector's item. That is there. What do we have here? So we have a charger, again a proprietary charger. This is a Motorola charger with a proprietary looking plug there, as you can see. Very proprietary looking plug there. Motorola charger, and we have the USB. Now this thing is also a charger. The Motorola USB jack that I said was a proprietary port. No, I wouldn't say this is a charger. I cannot confirm that this thing could charge off this, but this is definitely for plugging it to the computer. And as you can see, it has the press button mechanism to basically release it from the phone. We have a USB port over there. So those are just the accessories. Let me tidy this all up and then we can turn on the phone. So I have the battery installed here, and I'm not gonna take the back cover out of the bag. I'm trying to keep this phone as new as possible for display purposes. I'm pretty sure the battery is dead at this point in time, but let's see. I'm assuming that's the power button. If not, it's gonna be this. I'm assuming the battery should be dead after 16 years. Oh my god. Are you serious? The battery has charged after 16 years? Insert SIM. Okay, so I gotta... Is the battery full? Are you serious? Well, that could be wrong, but that's pretty strange. But anyway, I guess I gotta go put a SIM in this thing and be right back. Now, I don't want to use the singular SIM, or I just want to keep the SIM as it is. So I'll try and put another AT&T SIM that I have. So be right back. Okay, so straight up it liked the Cricket wireless SIM, so that's good. So let's press the only button that need be pressed, which is this. We'll see what happens. So we have some songs. Let's see if there's anything on here. Nope, so no songs on there. And this thing has some amazing lights coming out of the stereo speakers over there, so that's nice. Let me show you that. So we're in the menu. I've never used one of these phones, by the way, so bear with me here. Let's see, ring lights. So there are lights, you have fusion. Can't we demo the lights? Oh, there we go. Isn't that nice? So let's see, pulse, lights on both sides, rhythmic, and we have sonic. So they're the same colors and stuff, but just in different patterns. There's a lot of them. Choose tsunami. So that's more blue, electron, purple. So I think we have the full color palette there, but I cannot confirm. Hyperactive, again, blue, yellow. So bunch of light selections over there. In the full review, I'll show you the night, the lights at night, but I don't think I'll be able to do the full review for a long time. Event lights, probably notifications as well. So this is the interface. It's a makeshift interface. It's not Symbian or anything like that. It's a makeshift interface. So we have a singular app as well. That won't be there in the international version. iTunes is there. This thing is running an older version, because I've seen a couple of these running a different software. Well, an identical software, but it looked more modern. This thing is not updated. I guess this thing is running an older version. This phone is new after all. So that's nice to see. So in the background, you may have noticed the original iPhone, the official original iPhone, and the unofficial original iPhone. So nice to see them together. Two phones from two different eras, completely different technology, but they had one thing in common, which is iTunes. So let's see if this camera does anything. Now the button is up top there photo viewfinder back. Is that the camera interface? Oh. Okay, so you take photos like that. Okay, that's why the camera is... Can we take photos with that? Let me see. Yeah, we can. So you take photos like this. Store. So we can store the... Let's see. Store only. Select. So you're storing the phone memory. So this is really old school stuff. So let's say, is this settings? Yep, this is settings. We can turn the flash on and there's the flash. So let's store that as well. I'll probably revisit this in like 15 years and see, oh boy, I remember that review. So that's actually quite interesting, the camera interface. They're pretty basic stuff. But yeah, I guess there's nothing much else I can show you. I don't want to drag this on for too long. Let's leave that for the full review when I get my hands on the other phone. This thing, I'm just going to clean it up so my grubby fingers aren't all over it. And I'll put it back in its box and we'll probably revisit it in like 15 years or something. And if you're still around, big thumbs up and thanks for the support, honestly. But yeah, this was the unboxing and just quick look at the Motorola Rokr E1 from 2005. A really interesting phone. Stay tuned for the review that is coming up probably in a few months' time when I get the other phone. But until then, I guess there's nothing else to this video, and you'll probably see this phone in a very, very long time, and I probably unbox it in the future again. So this is probably going to be the official unboxing phone. Anyway, thanks for watching as usual. Thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video.